Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kendra. That makes you a bunny. That makes us Kendra and the Bunnies. Today we have a product unboxing and a product review. This is a Calendula Essential Hydrating Cream by Naturopathica for deeper beauty. So Calendula is perfect for helping fade any skin scars that we have. It's also really good for sensitive skin, and it is a little bit hydrating and moisturizing. I love Calendula so much. It's actually an extract from the marigold flower. And so let's read some of these ingredients. We have aloe leaf juice, sunflower seed oil, water, aspen bark, rosa, flower water, borage seed oil, nettle leaf extract, calendula flower extract, neroli flower oil, lavender oil, lemon, and rosemary leaf extract. Those are some of the ingredients that I do recognize. This is a luxurious, nourishing cream with calendula that's going to help our skin be soft, supple, and hydrated. Calendula is an ancient herb that deeply nourishes and soothes the skin. Borage seed oil is rich in fatty acids that deeply moisturize by supporting the skin's moisture barrier function. And trehalose. This naturally occurring saccharide is known to retain moisture and protect nourished, healthy looking skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash off my makeup, and then we'll put on some of this Calendula cream. Real quick, a word from our sponsor for today. So our sponsor is We Sponsored. It's an app that you can download on your Apple iPhone, and I think it's on Android too, where you can discover sponsorships that are reviewing different products, and you get free stuff and also bonuses. This is for my influencers, my content creators, and really anyone who's looking to just like effectively grow their following online or earn a little cash. So I've made a lot of money on here, over $500. I put a link below to refer you, and yeah, comment on that if you have any questions. I'm back, fresh-faced and looking prettier than ever. Okay, so I just washed off my makeup. I did a little bit of toner. I did a little bit of under eye cream because this is going to be our moisturizer that we put on after toner, and also we're gonna kind of avoid the eye area as it says in the instructions. And this is how it looks. Ooh. Oh, it's from Ireland. What does that smell? I know that smell. It's lavender! Oh my gosh. I love lavender so much. Okay, so this is what I like to do with all the cream that's already on here, is I just like to go for the neck. Never forget the neck, because it deserves skincare and love too. Y'all, this is creamy, but it's not too heavy. It smells gorgeous. And it is a perfect step in our skincare routine. Oh my god, it smells so good. Okay, my lavender lovers, run, skip, hop, dance, electric slide over to this because this is so good. I feel like I'm bathing in gorgeous lavenderness. But then the ingredient that's highlighted is the calendula. And here's our consistency. It's pretty creamy, but it's also got some firmness to it. Oh my god, this is so relaxing. Oh, I'm so excited about this product. Oh. Wow. It smells like fresh lavender too. So that's my review. I'm like happy and hydrated and relaxed and like I feel really good with this on. I'm excited to add this to my routine. It's a moisturizer, and the highlights are calendula, the lavender, the borage seed, and then also the trehalose. That is the saccharide known for retaining moisture and helping us keep our healthy looking skin.